Guys, that be the original. I thought I got the wrong one, but it's the right one. Original. 2 cans. Original. Mild. That's it. That's all you need. Two cans. And 2 pounds of, you know what I'm saying, ground beef. We ain't putting no sausages out. We're not doing that. This is my number one go-to. You have to have this right here. Scoop. You know what I'm saying? So, original. When you back dough, you black. This is how you get nachos. So we got the Dorito nachos. This is something new right here. We're gonna try these out. These are the private size right here, so we're gonna try the continuos out. You know what I'm saying? So, $8, 1 and 2, that's $10. Me probably like 5, 15. So $20 to $25 you can get all this. And that's Rotel. Yeah. That's all I'm gonna show you is the secret right here. I can't show you what I'll use, but that's one of the secrets, you know what I'm saying? So apparently, went to Walmart today, man. White guy in front, the cop was like, can't come inside. I was like, what, it's 5:30, I got 30 minutes shot. I know what I wanna get, you know what I'm saying? I know Walmart rests back in my hand, so we had to go to Super One, get the Angus ground chuck. I didn't know this was Angus. This show is $4.77 a pound, so that's $5 a pound. This better be the best Rotel I made, you know what I'm saying? I don't even like Angus. So, we're gonna see, man. I already washed my hands, so we're gonna put this right in the skillet, man. That's how we're gonna start. Do it like that. And break it up. There we go. So apparently they put the price on here now, so it's $7.99 for some cheese, some fake cheese, bro. Cheese that's on the shelf. Some people didn't realize that. Huh? Yeah, it's on the shelf. It's an important piece right here. Clear it up in blocks like that. That's how I do it. Break it in like that. Trying to hop in the V. Alright. So basically, you're putting this down here to make it in strands, you know what I'm saying? Do it like that. So you just grate it down real fast. So you put it in the crock pot and make it melt fast, cook fast, you know what I'm saying? You just do that. Make it down as big as possible. I know you women that don't know how to make Rotel, you know what I'm saying? This is the key. Some people don't put that much cheese in it. You have a watered down Rotel, you know what I'm saying? Watered down Rotel. So that's all that cheese I done grated on. I ain't get all of it. We got 1 can of mild. You know what I'm saying? It's not even but $1. It used to be like 50 cents. Everybody want to be moving the kitchen to make a video. Original, 1 mild. Oh my God, this is a tutorial. This is like a natural tutorial, you know what I'm saying? This ain't even planned. We just said we're gonna get the camera and show you how to make Rotel. So that's how we're gonna start out. So you're gonna take this can, so you just put these in the pot and boil it in and put it with the cheese and melt it. That's how you melt it fast. Don't forget about the meat that you had on going, so I'm doing it all in one take, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna probably be done in like 10, 15 minutes, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so dump that in that's the mild can. Okay, thanks, original. So you wanna put that in there like that? Come to not a boil, but kind of like a boil. You know what I'm saying? You want to get high enough to put it in the cheese. You know what I'm saying? Melt it. So you just want it made it more yellowish. You want to get it fancy. I ain't used to cooking this thick meat. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, like a burger, Mondo burger size meat. Look at that. DJ page turned into a vlog page. It's gonna be a cooking channel at the same time. Cause these women now, they don't know how to cook money. They just know how to get hot and spices and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Look at this, bro. I'm gonna do it with one hand. Look at that, boy, rotation. Turn it fast. Got it, grease out. Okay, we're gonna throw some of the salt and pepper here right now. Alright, we're gonna wait till it get a little more dark and we ain't gonna do it yet. Alright. Then we got that to a boil. Got that into a boil. Good little boil. And then we'll dump it in that cheese that we was grating up a while ago.
Did he pull out the secret? Where you pull that out? He had that in his pocket or something.
Secret sauce. Secret sauce right there. See how I dropped it in? Look at that. Zoom in on that. Look at that. If they ain't looking like that, boy, they ain't gonna be hitting. You know what I'm saying? So when you're doing the Rotel, man, put all the cheese in the mix. Don't do half. All of it. That's the piece that we didn't grab. You see how I chopped that meat up? The angles don't look that big. Nothing to it. See, I'm just chopping up the pieces. I don't want Rotel to be thick meat patties. You know what I'm saying? I want it to be like grades, like some taco grades. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. All right, we got this done right here. I think it's hot enough. I don't want to be soupy, so there you go. Let's take this, just like that. On top. Just like that. I'm gonna put that on, put it on high right now. I put the meat in, I put it on low. We're gonna dump that in. Some of it, I ain't gonna dump all of it in right now. Nah, I'm gonna put it on there. We took the Rotel mix and we did it to a boil, put it inside the cheese, melted it real fast. So this is how it's gonna look so far, you know what I'm saying? This is how you melt the cheese fast, if you didn't know. Put it in the crock pot, set it on high. This is a regular crock pot from Walmart. You get one of them, $10. Dollar Tree. So right now, got a punch bowl spoon. Stand it up. Stand it up. So I got the mild, I got the normal. Well, one bad regular. Rotel, so that's what we got going. So yeah. Don't forget you gotta strain all this juice out of this meat too. All this grease. Alright, so 2025. We spent more than that though. Cause this Angus was like $12. I don't know why. Walmart was closed, so had to get it. So this is pre-Christmas Rotel, you know what I'm saying? This is Christmas time. So hold on, last step is that you wanna strain this meat. Take your time, man. Make sure y'all just grease out. You know what I'm saying? Most of the people don't have this, so you try to do it and you still got grease in it, and you're gonna taste it. Still coming out. Oh, that was 30 cents we just wasted. Just trying to make sure I got it all out. It's a lot of grease in here, man. It's just Angus. Make sure you got that. You have some BBGs. Add none enough. Alright. Moment of truth. Dump the meat in there slowly. Ooh, I'm gonna burn my finger. You feel me? Slow and expeditious. See how it's mixing fast? Oh yeah. It's a slow, deep, slow stir. See how it's blended in right here? Just like that. Oh yeah, there we go. So we're gonna let it sit. Put the crock pot on slow. So I know it's good. I'm sneezing, you know what I'm saying? You see the seasoning right there. There we go. Let it sit. Put the lid on top. That's it. It's a wrap. That's how you make rotel.